Number 1. 1979 Ford Ranger F-250 pickup, $4,000, Olympia, Washington. This heavy-duty workhorse, dubbed a trailer special, is a dependable full-size pickup with a V8 1.7-liter engine and automatic transmission. With 83,699 miles rolled over, this rear-wheel drive Ford offers dual fuel tanks, front and rear hitch mounts, and nearly new tires. Despite its age, it has been reliably running for the past 4 years and features a clean bed liner and functional tailgate. Cosmetic imperfections like dents, minor rust, and a stuck passenger window are expected for a 1970s work truck, a classic option for those looking for a rugged, functional hauler. Number 2. 1973 Ford F-250 Ranger XLT Camper Special, $5,000. Hillsboro, Oregon. Equipped with a 390 FE V8, this Ranger XLT Camper Special offers a sturdy foundation for restoration. The seller has already installed a new battery, fuel system components, radiator, and exhaust manifolds. With 74,000 miles, it's a solid platform that needs some finishing: tires, seals, and interior insulation. The Camper Special trim and rear-wheel drive layout make it appealing for vintage truck collectors. Number 3. 1976 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside, 8th Sacramento, California. A long bed beauty with only 41,771 miles and a newer 350 V8 engine and transmission, this Chevy C10 is mechanically solid and recently passed California smog. It includes upgrades like leaf springs, new tires, and ignition components. The frame is free from major rust, and the body is well preserved for its age. A turnkey classic truck suitable for daily driving or light hauling. Number 4. 1978 Dodge Ram 3500 Flatbed, $3,500, Fairfield, California. A 1-ton work truck with a diamond-plated 10-foot flatbed, this Dodge Ram 3500 houses a 360 V8 engine and automatic transmission. With dual rear wheels and 84,000 miles, it's a promising platform for a project or utility use. The truck is currently on non-operation status and needs tuning and general TLC, ideal for farm or utility applications. Number 5. 1970 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $9,400, Lakeside, California. This factory Shortbed C10 comes with a 350 V8, automatic transmission, power steering, front disc brakes, and air conditioning. It runs well, but the rear-end pinion bearing needs rebuilding. The body shows rust in common areas, and the bench seat is negotiable. A desirable shortbed with potential for full restoration or custom build. Number 6. 1976 Chevrolet Bonus Cab Superbox, $5,000, Fairfield, California. Featuring a 3-speed manual transmission and 45,000 miles, this unique Chevy Bonus Cab appears to be a rare extended cab model. Rust is mainly limited to the doors and fenders, which are easily replaceable. The truck starts and runs, making it a viable candidate for a custom or nostalgic build. Number 7. 1971 Datsun 521 pickup, $8,000, Angwin, California. This classic Japanese mini truck features a rebuilt L16 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel disc brakes, new wheels, and extras. However, it needs brake work, a radiator replacement, and synchro servicing. With a rusty body and windshield delamination, it requires restoration but is prized among Datsun enthusiasts for its rarity and vintage charm. Number 8. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $9,500, Fremont, California. A clean title Stepside C10 powered by a 350 V8, this shortbed classic has 81,100 miles and runs great. Recently smogged and registered, it is ready to drive and perfect for cruising or local car shows. The Stepside styling adds to its collectible appeal. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet C10 Shortwide, $4,500, Seattle, Washington. Sporting a 6-cylinder engine, this C10 shortbed truck is a solid runner with 125,000 miles. The body has minor rust and a dent near the fuel cap, but it's a sound starting point for restoration. A rare find with original drivetrain and desirable short-wide configuration. Number 10. 1970 Chevrolet 4x4 pickup, 1.8 Julietta, Idaho. This rough-and-ready 4x4 is equipped with a Chevrolet 350 engine and manual transmission. While the odometer is broken and it has high mileage, 230,000, it runs and drives. A low-cost entry into the world of vintage 4x4s, ideal for off-road or ranch use with some mechanical work. Number 11. 1970 Dodge Power Wagon W200, $20,500, Diamond Lake, Washington. A rare W200 equipped with a massive 440 engine and functional Myers snowplow. With 77,000 miles and a clean title, it is a strong candidate for restoration or continued use as a utility vehicle. Needs mechanical attention to become fully roadworthy again. The plow and heavy-duty setup make this a valuable winter workhorse. Number 12. 1990 Ford Ranger XLT Super Cab, $800, Auburn, Washington. A budget-friendly compact pickup with 97,168 miles and a 5-speed manual transmission. Ideal for yard work or hauling, but it has multiple mechanical and cosmetic issues, including inoperative gauges, parking brake, and hood latch. Priced accordingly for parts, project, or utility use. Number 13. 1970 Ford F-250 Ranger Camper Special, $7,800, Simi Valley, California. A clean, solid driving classic with V8 power, factory air conditioning, not currently hooked up, and recent maintenance including new tires and battery. Odometer shows 22,000 miles, likely rolled over. With good patina and a clean title, it is a true vintage workhorse or weekend cruiser.